for question 2 we have a question on probability. So let's recall. First we'll use Bayes' law here. PA intersection B, so some prelims, equals to PB to PA given B equals to PA to PB given A, and also in this case, now let's move on with the question. I think this rule is enough. Okay, so what we are given, so let the probability of giving the correct answer given the question is not guessed. Let G be the event that it's guessed and C be the event that the answer was correct. So P, C given G was not guessed is this case. Whenever the student knows the answer of a question, he gives the correct answer. So this becomes 1. And P, C given G, given that this question was guessed, the probability of correct answer is equals to half. Nevertheless, it's off. Yeah, we are required to find probability that the student knows the answer of a randomly chosen question, that is the question was not guessed. This is PG bar. This is what we are required to find, which is 1 minus PG. We are also given that given that the student's answer was correct, the probability of the answer for the question being guessed, that is PG given C. This is 1 by 6. But now using this, we know that PG given C is equals to P G into P C given G upon PC. That is, given the question was guessed, the probability of getting it correct into probability of the question that probability that the question was guessed upon total probability of the question was correct. The total probability of the question being correct is PG P C given G. That given it was guessed, the probability of getting it correct, plus given that it was not guessed, into probability of getting it correct. This is equals to, this denominator is equals to this thing. Now PG is given us, no, PG we are required to find PG. PC given G is given to be half. PG bar is 1 minus PG. PC given G bar is 1. PG given C is 1 by 6. So we have 1 by 6 is equals to PG, which we are required to find. Let PG be P. We replace PG by P. PC given G is half upon PG is P. PC given G is half plus PG bar is 1 minus PG, that is 1 minus P, into PC given G bar is 1. This gives us 1 by 6 is equals to P upon 2 upon P by 2 plus 1 minus P is 1 minus P by 2. This gives us 1 minus P by 2 is equals to 6 into P by 2 is 3P. 3P plus P by 2 is 7P by 2, which gives us P equals to 2 by 7. Remember, P is PG. We are needed, the question asks us for the value of PG bar, that is 1 minus PG. That is 1 minus 2 by 7. So answer is C, 5 by 7. So PG is 2 by 7. So PG bar becomes 5 by 7. So answer is C.